Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, so yesterday's video I did a straight pour using the DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in Ice Blue and Berry. And I used the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white as my base coat slash background. And I got some cool cell action. But I wanted to try another, and I've added just a bit of the Liquitex Matte Medium. I've used that a couple of paintings ago with paints that didn't sell very well, and when I added that, they did sell. So I thought I would see if this would give a different kind of cell action. I did get cells in the last painting, but I just wanted to see what would happen if they would look different. So this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I've already prepped this canvas by spraying the back with water. That when it sounds like a drum when you tap it, you know you're ready. Okay, so this would require a little over 5 ounces of paint in total. I'm going to lay down a base coat, so what I will be putting in my pour cup will be less than 5 ounces of paint because there will already be some on the canvas, and I want this to stretch because it's stretching that gives you cells. So let's lay down a base coat. Let's put some paint in the cup, shall we? Okay, blue first. And then white. I'm sorry, the berry. Okay, let's hurry up and pour before the cells start popping up. Oh, Lordy. Can you tell I have not had my second cup of coffee today? So I just kind of finger flip that. Okay. We'll work with that. It's all right. Pop the bubbles. Okay. Let's stretch some paint. There are no mistakes, only opportunities to be creative, right? I'm going to need to stretch this a lot. There was a lot of paint. I could have used less. Okay, well this does not look like my typical straight pour. That's okay. They don't all have to come out exactly as you expect. In fact, most of them won't. Okay, I'm just going to let this sit for a bit and see what happens. You never know. Back in a few. Okay, here is the dried piece. I did not get back in time from the movie to do the video while it was still wet, but now you get to see it dry. There it is. It's interesting, the edges kind of have more color than the top. The pink really, or the berry I should say, stuck to the sides. I think there may have just been too much white in this. I'm not sure. It's interesting that the matte medium didn't give it more cells. In fact, it has less cells than this painting. This one is dried. Can't see too much of the shimmer right now. Once it's varnished, that will pop more. But this came out very nicely, as you can see. So, there it is. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for the link to my website where I now have paintings for sale. Yay. Also, go make some art on Facebook. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. And if you have questions or find yourself in a painting pickle, someone there will help you out. Also, the PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined. It is always very much appreciated. And the link to my Amazon store. Anything that you purchase from Amazon when you enter through my store, I make a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So, hook a sister up if you're shopping on Amazon anyway. It is greatly appreciated. It helps me stay stocked up in supplies to bring you a new video every day. So all in all, this piece, it's a lot softer than what I usually get, so it's something different. This little section here where I flicked my finger kind of looks like an eel or shark or something. I don't know. But there it is. Again, thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.